Hello, good morning, students. Today I am teaching for 11th standard students, that is for Inter's first year students. Today our topic is classification of accounts. Here, accounts transactions can be divided into three categories: has transactions relating to individuals and firms, transactions relating to properties, goods or cash. Third point is transactions relating to expenses or losses and incomes or gains. Here, transactions are divided into are related to three types, I must say. Here, first, the transactions relating to individuals and firms, and next transactions are relating to properties, goods or cash, and third transactions are related to expenses or losses and incomes or gains. Here, a flowchart also given related to accounts. Here, accounts are divided into two types, that is personal account and impersonal account. Here, in personal accounts, there are two types: natural and artificial personal. Next, in second one, impersonal, it is also divided into two types, that is real and nominal. Again, in real, there is two types: tangible and intangible. Here, first we are going to study personal accounts. What are personal accounts? The accounts which relate to individuals or persons are known as personal accounts. Personal accounts include the following. So students, here personal accounts is nothing but the accounts which relate to individuals or persons. So the accounts relating to individuals or persons are known as personal accounts, and it is divided into two types, that is natural persons and artificial person. In natural persons, accounts which relate to individuals means in natural person, the accounts which relate to individual means a particular person. A particular person, for example, Pawan's account, Srinu's account, Sridhar's account, Ramya's account, that all accounts comes under natural person. So he is an individual. Who is Pawan here? He is an individual. So the accounts which are relating to individuals are known as natural persons. So here in second point, artificial person. Artificial persons, accounts which relate to a group of persons or firms or institutions. For example, Infosys Limited, Andhra Bank, Life Insurance Corporation of India, Lions Club. So here, what is artificial person? Accounts which related to a group of persons or firms or institutions. Here in natural persons we learn that accounts relate to individuals, but here in artificial persons it relate to a group of persons or firms. Here institutions. Here Infosys Limited, it is a firm, and Andhra Bank, it is a corporation, that is, it is an institution. Life Insurance Corporation of India, it also an institution. Lions Club, etc. It is a group now, so it comes under artificial person. Again, here impersonal accounts. First we have completed personal accounts. Next we are learning about impersonal accounts. It is very easy. Personal opposite impersonal. Here all those accounts which are not personal accounts are impersonal accounts. So I have said that all those accounts which are not personal are said to be impersonal accounts. What is personal accounts? It is related to individuals or persons. But here what is real accounts? All those accounts which are not personal accounts, it is known as impersonal accounts. Again, in impersonal accounts, it is divided into two types, which is namely real and nominal accounts. First, we are going to read about real accounts. What are real accounts? Accounts relating to properties, assets, which are owned by the business concern. So, what is the meaning of real account? Real account are concerned with properties and assets. Properties like land, building, and so and so. Here, assets includes machinery, furniture, stock, all comes under assets. Here, accounts relating to properties and assets which are owned by business concern, that should be relating to business concerns. So accounts relating to properties and assets which are owned by the business concern, only for business concern sake, then it is called as real accounts. Real accounts which include tangible and intangible accounts. Real accounts also includes tangible and intangible. What do you mean by tangible? Tangible means which can touch, which we can see physically, and intangible which we cannot touch. It is invisible, but it exists. Just like goodwill, it is an intangible account. We cannot see it, but we can but it is there. It is necessary for the development. For example, goodwill means good name or fame. It is known as goodwill. Goodwill means a good name or fame. Okay, students, we studied about real account. Next is nominal account. Nominal accounts includes these accounts do not have any existence, form or shape. Here, nominal accounts does not have a particular existence, form or shape. They related to incomes and expenses or gains and losses of a business concern. It is just related to only the incomes and expenses. It does not have any existence, form or shape. It is related to only expenses or gains and losses of a business concern. So, for example of these account are salary account, commission account, rent account, discount account, etc. All examples of nominal accounts. So, this all comes under nominal account. What is nominal account? The account which deals, in simply, it deals with incomes and expenses or gains and losses of a business is called as nominal account. Here in personal account, it is divided into natural person and artificial persons. A natural person means it is related only about individuals. In artificial, it relates to a group of persons or firms or institution. Again, here in impersonal accounts, which is not personal, here it is divided into two types, that is real account and nominal accounts. Real account deals with properties and assets, and nominal account deals with incomes and expenses or gains and losses of a business concern. Here the main rules we have to remember for debit and credit, it is really very important. Very important. That should be remembered by each and every student. Now, first principle is personal accounts. In personal accounts, what is debit? Debit, the receiver, and credit, the giver. In personal account includes what? The personal accounts is about individuals, means about persons. Whether it is individual or a group of person or firms or institution. In that, debit means the receiver and credit means the giver. Again, in second one is real accounts. In real accounts, debit means what comes in and credit means what goes out. Real account deals with what? About properties and assets. So, in properties and assets, debit means what comes in, credit means what goes out. And third point is nominal accounts. In nominal accounts, debit means all expenses and losses, and credit means all incomes and gains. Nominal account deals with what? It deals with incomes and expenses only, gains and losses of a business here. So, we can say debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. This is very important for your examination purpose and also for competitive examinations. Thank you, students. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.